This is the Kalia show. Y'all ready? Just in case you didn't know, this is a Kalia show. Just in case you didn't know, this is a Kalia show. Just in case you didn't know, this is a Kalia show. Just in case you didn't know, this is the Kalia show. This is the Kalia show. Watch it when you're feeling low, then you'll begin to glow. Just in case you didn't know. Now you know I'm not a rapper, but I will try. My song is pretty catchy, you can't deny. So like, comment, and subscribe. Come on, girl, don't be shy. I will keep you up all night, and I'll keep your spirit bright. Let's go. This is the Kalia show. Just in case.
Hey, blessed babes, this is the Kalia show. Just in case you didn't know, and I'm back with another video. Yay. Today I'm here again with the lovely Sherell.
Hey guys.
And she will be installing a wig on me. She's going to be doing a little tutorial teaching you guys, because y'all know I don't know nothing about hair. So.
Yes, today I will be installing this lovely U-part unit. This unit was constructed by hand using Sherell Alicia Beauty Indian curly extensions, and of course you guys know that you can do your custom color add-on. So today this unit has a little spice added to it. So.
Yes, I love it. And side note, these lashes you can also purchase from Miss Sherell.
Yes,
Kalia's Instagram. So
she's wearing Phantom today.
Yes, and if you want to see how I put them on, click the link below, and it's a little tutorial for you. So let's get into it.
The quickest way for you to do your own U-part install is to start by parting your hair directly down the center. So you should have two sections. And then you're going to need a perimeter braid for your unit. So for today, usually I'll do 2 braids down the front and then like 1 French braid in the back. But for today, I'm just gonna do 2 perimeter braids. So that's 1 here, and then 2 braids on the back. The leave out. Yeah, so I forgot this part. So you want to do your leave out. Once you find your middle part, you take it down into 2 sections. Then you're going to separate those 2 sections, find your leave out, section that off, and you can begin braiding from there. And if you watch any of my other videos, you know I'm new to the tutorial world, so I'm happy that you guys love my authenticity. Because you know, that's what I got. So as long as I'm helping you guys, I will keep on bringing the fire. Now we're gonna put this in. It has these little combs here. And start with the middle one. Drop it in the back. And two on the sides. Maybe I should turn it off. Get over there. I'm just doing the same thing around the perimeter. Put the combs in. And turn this way so you guys can see. And that is the purpose of the perimeter braids. So now you can see how wig's all on. And I'm going to do her leave out. Oh, let me do this. Okay. Alright guys, there you have it. That's a quick tutorial on how to install your U-part unit using SAB Indian curly extensions. This is perfect for a girl who literally doesn't have a lot of time and she wants to look fab in a sec.
Thanks, Sherell.
Welcome. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.